I say there, I mean here. I just wanted to film some of the dogs around here because they're quite cute. Got an English Shepherd, I think. Lovely. Bog. What would you say the handsomest dog is? Me neither. I mean, if I had to decide, it would probably be a lizard. For that.
Let's see your snap maps.
Alright. What for though? By the way, this will probably be on YouTube.
No, you've got to edit me out.
I can't.
You will.
I can't.
I'll report you.
No, you won't.
I will. I'll report all your YouTube videos.
But that's not fair. You're not actually. Are you? Are you in all? No, you're not in the UFO ones. You can't.
I'll report
No basis.
every single one.
There goes
There's
Vicky.
so many.
Good luck, Vicky. So many which. I've got to lead the wrong way. What type of dog is that?
Yeah.
No, behind.
No, longest bearded collie.
That as well.
They're very similar. Yeah. Everyone says you're ready for.
Got a big good bark.
Contrast there.
Sorry. That's a doggy. That's what I think of when I think of a dog.
Come on then.
Where'd they gone now? Oh, there. Let's go on top of the hill and film them all. There we go. Look at all them pups. Come on, Moose. Wrong way. Twirly whirly. Wait, a Coke. You've got a Coke. He never drinks Cokes. Right, it's going to be a bit long, so I'll end it here. I'll film the interesting bits again. Good luck, Vicky. They are coming to examine Vicky. Moose is just interrupting. Sorry, I had to put that on the floor and it spilt because I'm cursed and I spilt it on me. Let's see.
We've got Vicky here, 15 next month.
15?
What?
Full poodle.
13, 14, 15, something like that.
He's too young the dog, so he's really that's life now, isn't it? That's life. Yeah, that's the life. Just remember happening around us. Yeah, anything and walks and everything. Yeah.
He was taking the lead on the walk. He was making the other dogs look sluggish. Do you fancy his chances?
Yeah.
Me too. Oh, you've got that in my head now. No, not that one as well. Be quiet.
To make a remix.
I'd really rather not.
Hit me with your own snake.
No, that's the last thing I need in my life.
Don't blow on the snake. Don't blow.
This is going on YouTube,
Hit me with
and if
your-
you become a meme because of that, that is not my fault.
Go on, make me a meme, man.
Okay, I will. Anyway, good luck, Vicky. No, I am not a centipede. Or am I? Hoominy. Harley refuses to hold Moose while I film, so this will be a bit more difficult. Oh, we'll go back down now. Anyway, never mind. Let's see if we can properly film all these pups. Got that one there. Yeah, it's quite hard to see with the people in the way, but now I can't tell how old they are. I mean, Bicky looks old. Look at him, scraggly waggly. That one looks a bit old. So does that one, but I don't think he's in it. Yeah, I would film all of them, but hard to see. Let's fix your ear again. Yeah, this is, by the way, the last one. So we had prettiest dog, we had Moosin, most handsome dog. Now we have Vicky as the veteran one. Yeah. Don't know how many more. Which one? The whippet? Or that one?
When it all got put
That will look like that, shouldn't it?
dark brown.
Which one?
See that? Ginger one over there.
That's quite vague.
Over there.
Over where?
Look there.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that one.
Charlie used to look like that when he was
But dark brown.
yeah.
I couldn't believe what Bella looked like as a puppy. Oh, sorry.
Ollie, you might have got a whiff of Vicky's breath before I'm not going to come back and put it with that.
Oh, poor Vicky. He's old. Good luck,
What
Vicky.
did you call him then? Scruffy or scraggy or
Scraggly mutt. I mean, he really needs a cut.
If
He'll
he's
probably
going
get.
on Tuesday, I put him in.
Oh, good.
And then you're taking him to Grandad's away the weekend on Tuesday on the bus.
Yep, good.
You need to be back Monday night if you're going to see inspectors.
Inspectors.
Oh no, these are
Hey, right, I think they're doing it in a minute. So I'll see you then. Good luck, Vicky. Once again, I was not paying full attention. Which one was number one? Number two. Doop-de-doo. Somewhere over here. Well done. He does look a bit like a veteran. He's got them patches. We've got to do go there. Number three. Finally, what do we have? Oh, they're thinking. Looks like somewhere right next to us, I think. Fair enough. Big scraggly. Well, we didn't win anything, but that's not the point. We participated and yeah, it was quite fun. So I'll probably put these on YouTube. I mean, I will put these on YouTube. There's no point in filming them if I'm not going to put them on YouTube. Just in case anyone's interested. Well, I just like doing vlogs anyway, and maybe some people would like seeing all the dogs. I know I would. Oh, that's a nice one. But yeah, we're going to get a Starbucks and a carrot cake from Sarah's mum, so that should be fun. That's it. Yep, we're leaving now. Sorry, it's hard for me. Oh yeah, that was it. I wanted to film these. Floofer. But yeah, that's it.
Excuse me, if we're going to go to my mum's, then we're going to go to the toilet.
Yeah, we'll go to the toilet now.
Yep, good. Well done for getting that on film. Anyway, yeah, that's that. Bye for now and have a look. So before we leave, I'll probably edit that last bit out. Before I leave, I just wanted to see what was everyone's favourite dog. Apart from our ones, obviously.
The Malibu.
The Malibu was nice.
Old English sheepdog that wasn't.
Oh yeah.
Rob Vicky of that prize.
Rob Vicky of his dad.
My favourite is definitely the Malibu Floofer, the Whippet one with the skinny face and that tiny one. And the Doodle as well. I mean, I don't have favourites really, they were all nice. I just mean which were the cutest ones, to be honest. But yeah, that was it for today. Have a wonderful day.